guess it's the new year that's making the tentacles alive. Happy New Year. Wait. Yes, you're there. My stomach also wants to say hi. I don't know what just hatched, but I have heard, I guess it's adrenaline, I don't know. Because apparently, adrenaline makes someone shake, and I feel the shaking sensation here when I was like, I don't know why. I don't know a lot of things as usual. I don't know, but I like what I'm feeling. It kind of resembles the feeling when you've forgotten the code to your suitcase, and then you try random combinations. You try what combinations you've used before, or some other numbers, combination of numbers that are significant, but somehow they're not working. And then you're so frustrated, you're just about to give up. You try this one last combination you have not tried, and then you tried it, and then like, that's how it feels. That's how it feels to be inside this body right now. I cannot contain myself for some reason. And it's not like it's not as if I'm always outwardly like this. It just gets visible when there's an opportunity for it to be visible. For example, yesterday, when I worked with some other colleagues and we have to speak, then it becomes visible, this energy. But still, I try to match theirs. But still, it peaks, like, it peaks. It's so weird. This the first day of 2025 also feels like this for you. So cool. It's so cool. I don't know. I don't know why is it like this. It's not even sunny. It's not even sunny outside. What's this? Maybe the stars are dancing, or some star just got born and it's a significant star. I don't know why is it like this. I don't know. what's happening in the cosmic scale. I don't know. I know that the world is actively burning and that a lot of things are happening in the world that are not very nice, but then I also know that there is something on this earth that are happening or unfolding quite nicely. Otherwise, I wouldn't feel like this. Happy New Year.